I just want to say welcome to my channel, Chosen One. For who don't know me, I'm James, and I'm really glad to be here with you. Look, do not skip this video, this message. You need to hear this message, especially if you are somebody who's chosen. God chose me to speak about His word. If you are somebody who's struggling right now, somebody who's going through a lot of things, somebody who ain't got no money, you ain't got no job, God chose me to come here and to tell you that don't worry about anything. He already got everything that you need. Yes. If you are somebody who's chosen and you know that you got God on your side, you don't even have to worry about anything. God already answered your call. So I just want to say, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and share. And right now, I'm not working. I'm sorry. When you are somebody who's chosen, things are not, what I'm saying? A lot of time, things will never be the way that you want them to be. You know what I'm saying? It's like, as a chosen one, I was always feel like things always be different for me. I always feel like a lot of people always want to attack me. A lot of people always want to argue with me, but I don't even have to do anything bad to nobody. You know what I'm saying? So, when you are somebody who's chosen, you should always know that the enemy is right behind your back. The enemy is right behind you. The enemy is always after you. You know what I'm saying? No matter how good you're trying to treat everybody, no matter how good you're trying to do, you know what I'm saying? So you're trying to treat everybody good with respect. But a lot of people, they ain't really know that. You know what I'm saying? The devil will use these people for them to come and attack you. So let me tell you one thing right now. I'm basically going through a lot of things. But if I don't come here and start recording, you ain't finna know if I'm going through things. You know what I'm saying? Because you should never let the enemy see that you're bleeding. You should never let them see your pain. You know what I'm saying? As long as that you know you got God on your side, you should never be worried about anything. No matter how bad things seems to be, bro. No matter how bad, no matter how dark the day seems to be. You should always know that God will always got your back. You know what I'm saying? The only hope that I have right now is God. I put my trust in God. I believe in Him. I ain't got no money. We're struggling right now. You know what I'm saying? Things are not the way that they're supposed to be, but I have faith. I have hope. Every time when I pray to God, and I pray, and I know the Lord is answering my prayer. That's the biggest hope that I have. You know what I'm saying? My biggest hope is know that I have God on my side. You should know when you got on your side, when you got God on your side, you ain't even got to worry about anything, bro. Trust me if you want. God is the Lord. You should never be worried about anything. You know what I'm saying? We are the chosen one. We are the prize. You know what I'm saying? So you ain't even got to worry about anything, especially when you know you got God on your side. As a chosen one, they got me fired at my job just because I was speaking the truth. When you are somebody who's chosen, you are not normal, bro. You ain't even got I don't follow rules, bro. To be honest, bro. I ain't follow rules, bro. I'm too intelligent, bro. It's like at my job, everybody will do anything. Just they like at my job, I'm always trying to do my part and get out there. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't like me like that because I know at my job I just go there and do my job, and go back home. I go to school. But a lot of people, they don't like that. They just want you to be just like the other people who be staying in the same spot 2 hours doing the same thing. I couldn't do it, you know. And a lot of people, my boss didn't. They didn't like that.